Hi again. Welcome to my home. I'd like to invite you in to spend this time together with wonderful words that win. They make us better people. They teach us to be kind. 'Cause when you use your best words, we learn how we can shine. Hi, I'm AJ. Thanks for coming back. But is that some new people that we have? What's your name? We are all coming together to learn new words. We have to stay home, but during this time, there's really great things that we can do. So, get out a piece of paper or get your journal, and let's learn our new word. This is one you might have heard of or you might know, but it's still good to think about it, especially now. Today's word is emotions. Do you know the word emotions? Well, write it down. What do you think emotions mean? Okay, yeah. You know, I think emotions are things that can change throughout the day. They may go from happy to sad, and angry and mad, or ecstatic, or I just feel okay right now. But the thing about emotions are, as much as they can change throughout the day, we can change them. And sometimes, especially now when we feel like we're stuck inside and can't go outside and play, and maybe we haven't seen our friends, that may make us sad or it might make us angry. But just as much as they can change, we can change them. You can make them more positive. You gotta find ways to make yourself be happy again, or at least be in a place where you feel okay and safe, right? So, what are some of the ways that you could do that? Maybe if you're feeling sad or angry, one of the ways you could feel happy again is after you're done with your schoolwork, you could find a game you haven't played for a while. Or maybe you could ask whoever you're staying with if you could do some arts and crafts. Find some paper and things around the house and create something. Or you could build a fort. Building a fort is always so fun, right? Kind of makes you have a smile on your face when you think of what you could create. Or you could make some snowflakes. Have you ever cut snowflakes before? It's really cool. You just cut these different designs and every time it comes out looking different. You could read a favorite book. A book you know that makes you smile. Or you could call up a friend or FaceTime someone. Because sometimes when we see our friends, even through the phone, it can help us to feel happy again. Because we know we're gonna see them real soon. So, today our word was emotions. It's a special word to know because when you use your wonderful words, we shine and we all grow. Thanks for coming. Come back for the next word.